In this video, I will show you how you can fix a Steam initialization failed. Now, what you need to do, guys, is you need to first close down your Steam. And it's actually easier if you do it from here. Right-click on Steam and exit Steam. This is just to make sure that it's completely closed. So you want to do this. Let it load for a little bit. Now once you're here, you're gonna search for Steam, right click on it, open file location. From in here, you're gonna right click again on this Steam, open file location, and now you should be in the Steam folder. From in here, you're gonna find the .exe. It should already be highlighted if you did as I did before. And you're gonna right click on this, properties, compatibility. From in here, you're gonna click run this program, Windows 8, and run this program as an administrator. Do this, apply, and OK. Now restart your PC and try again, and it should hopefully work. Thank you guys for watching.